If you're experiencing pending transfers on Uber, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Go to the payment section in the app to verify your card details and balance. Step 2. Review transfer status. Open the Uber app and navigate to the earnings section. Check the status of your pending transfer to see if there are any alerts or messages regarding the delay. Step 3. Update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Uber app. Go to your device's app store and check for any available updates. Updating can resolve bugs that may be causing the issue. Step 4. Contact support. If the transfer remains pending, reach out to Uber support through the app. Provide them with details about the issue and any relevant screenshots to expedite the process. Step 5. Wait for resolution. After contacting support, be patient as they investigate the issue. Transfers may take some time to process, so check back after a few hours or the next day. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfer issues on Uber. If problems persist, consider reaching out to your bank or financial institution for further assistance.